Hey there! Are you frustrated with your gaming experience because of a hazy display? Wondering how to fix the foggy look in-game on your LG monitor? You're not alone. Many gamers face this issue, which can significantly impact your immersive experience. In today's guide, we'll walk you through some effective solutions to clear up that foggy look and enhance your gaming visuals to get the most out of your LG monitor. Step 1. Adjust your monitor settings. The quickest way to fix the foggy look is by tweaking your monitor's settings. LG monitors come with a variety of preset modes designed for different purposes. Begin by opening your monitor's settings menu using the buttons located on the side or bottom of the monitor. Picture mode. Switch to game mode, as it's typically optimized for dynamic colors and better contrast. Brightness and contrast. Increase the contrast slightly while balancing the brightness until the fogginess diminishes. Black stabilizer. LG monitors often feature a black stabilizer setting. Adjust this to make dark areas of the game more visible without causing an overall gray or washed out appearance. Step 2. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers could be the culprit behind the foggy display. Here's how to ensure your drivers are up to date. For Windows users, go to Device Manager, Display Adapters, right-click on your GPU, select Update Driver, choose Search automatically for drivers. For macOS users, Apple usually includes driver updates in its macOS updates. Ensure your operating system is up to date by visiting System Preferences, Software Update. With updated drivers, your system can optimize graphics, rendering more effectively, potentially resolving the fog close-up. Step 3. Calibrate your monitor. Proper monitor calibration can vastly improve image quality. Use LG's calibration software. LG offers software tailored to their monitors. This software can guide you through a calibration process to better match intended color output. Third-party tools. Alternatively, you can use tools like Datacolor, Spider, or X-Rite iDisplay for precise calibration. These tools provide step-by-step guidance to fine-tune color channels, contrast, and brightness. Step 4. Check your game's graphics setting. Sometimes the game settings could be the issue. Graphics and video settings. Enter the game's settings menu, locate graphics or video settings, and try different combos or effect options like anti-aliasing, VSync, and shadow quality, resolution, and full screen options. Ensure you're playing at your monitor's native resolution and consider switching between full screen, windowed, or borderless modes to see which yields the clearest picture. Step 5. Prevent future foggy appearance. Now that you know how to fix the foggy look in-game on your LG monitor, let's prevent it from happening in the future. Regular update. Keep both your monitor firmware and graphics drivers updated. Consistent calibration. Schedule regular calibration sessions, especially after major software or game updates. Fixing a foggy image on your LG monitor can significantly enhance your gaming experience. By adjusting monitor and game settings, keeping your drivers updated, and calibrating your monitor, you can ensure a crisp and immersive display. Remember, periodically revisiting these settings can maintain the visual clarity you've worked hard to achieve. Enjoy the breathtaking worlds and visual stories your games have to offer with this newfound clarity. Happy gaming.